This is Tift Nature Preserve, Buffalo, New York. It's such a pretty time. It's like around 7:30, 8 o'clock, and people are fishing. Wow, check out the new concrete. This looks incredible. I'm impressed. Nice job, Buffalo. This is new. It looks like they made some sort of butterfly garden right here. It's pretty cool. So far I've seen a couple of sparrows and red-winged blackbirds. Oh yikes, it says do not eat fish at this time. Yeah, I don't know if I ever would, to be honest. Not fish from here. Pollution. What a view. Beautiful. Looks like they're just finishing up with the construction. A few months ago I came here and they were just getting started, it seemed. Natural beaver dam. I'm so happy that it hurts. Feels good to be alive. It's the best time on earth. I'ma kick you to the curb. If you're messing with my vibe, you can put it in reverse. I'm a diamond in the dirt. You could bury me alive. Doesn't change what I'm worth. Go ahead and be a jerk. I'm so happy anything that you say wouldn't hurt. They rebuilt all these walkways. This is stellar. You gotta come out here. How cool. I love this place. Tift Nature Preserve, Buffalo, New York. Oh my God, check out this bird. It's a heron or a crane. How cool. Wow, it's so graceful. It's coming to me. Wow, they have this new thing. It goes right up to the water. This is new. Look at this. Incredible. I love this spot. You could probably fish right here. Just lovely here. Look at this guy. Are they friends?